It's another beautiful day. Welcome back to Rachel Faraja's channel, and as you can tell, I'm in very good moods because I have to use all that good energy to clean my oven. The top part will deceive you that I am the cleanest girl in town, but my friend, there's a situation here, there's a situation down here that needs attention, and I'll be showing you how I do it. I've neglected this oven for so long and it has served me so well. In fact, I'm just from baking these lovely rock buns, and I've done a full recipe on the rock buns. Don't worry, I will link it in the description box and in the comment section so that you can also make this. So because the oven is still warm and because it has done such a good job of just helping me to bake those nice cookies or rock buns, I want to take this opportunity just to clean it. And because I have time, I'll take you along with me. I'll be using simple stuff, but there is this specialized oven cleaner that assists to just make sure that all the grease is off, especially the tough grease, because mine has had that. I've done all manner of baking in it, oily stuff and all that. It's gross, guys. It's bad. It's not that bad, but it's bad. Like, for the kind of hygiene that I would want to have, it's bad, but we are going to sort that. That's why we are here. So kindly make sure that you subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me how often you clean yours, whether you clean it regularly, or if you delegate, or if you have a schedule for it. Let me know so that I can pull up my socks and just be able to do this well. So what am I going to be using? I have this Maxell Magic oven cleaner. It's nothing that I would say buy or don't buy. I just bought it in Carrefour a while back. In fact, it's almost done. By the time I'm done cleaning, it will be over and I will go for another one. But if you're looking for a good brand, get the Astonish oven cleaner. Then I have my vinegar water mixture. This one will help me to give it a fresh finish once we are done with degreasing it. And then I have this, will come in handy because I don't want to use my my cotton kitchen towels, which may stain, and the stain that comes from here, sometimes it's so difficult to clean. So if you can have these sponges that are easily disposable, if it will be not in a state that is usable, I recommend that. And then I don't have bar soap, neither liquid soap in my house at the moment. I will get to sort that over the weekend. So I'm going to use this scoring pad and this Menengai bar soap. They will work. They will work. I know they will work, and so that's what I want to do. So when I talk of my oven, let me show you closely. So this is how my oven looks like. You can see there's a rim of dirt on that door. Then in the inside, I had kept these baking tins and the trays. Actually, that's where I've been storing them for some time, but after the organization, I have a better space where I can keep the baking tins. So this is a situation. It doesn't look very nice, but that's why we are here. It's quite greasy. The grease that you cannot just wipe off with vinegar and water or baking soda. So that's why I needed something that can just sort me once and for all. And when you look at it, you can see the grease actually is stuck on the sides of the oven. And I will start just the cleaning by, first of all, before I even handle the other tins and the dishes, I am going to be soaking this in that Maxell oven cleaner. The fact it is an oven cleaner, it already has the right ingredients to remove grease. and it worked very well. I can actually confirm that. So in the meantime, as that oven is soaking in the inside, I began to clean the trays and the baking tins you're seeing here. And guys, in this channel I've baked a number of cakes. Please catch up with them in my YouTube, in my videos. Just check my videos. You'll come across very amazing and simple cakes, especially even for beginners, and you will be able to just even learn how to do a cake from scratch and do it very well. So I was showing you that oven cleaner is called Maxell oven cleaner, and I found it in Carrefour a while back, so I may not be able to confirm if it is there. So enjoy the music, guys. Let's clean together. It's cleaning, but we can dance off a bit. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you, all my new subscribers. You guys are most welcome. This house is so full of much love and much appreciation, and I know that you're going to love the content here. Refer me to different ones who have not yet encountered me and have not yet come across this channel. And for my returning subscribers and returning viewers, please just feel so much appreciated, and I thank you for holding me up all this time that we've come, and I know that it's not in vain, that I will be a blessing to you as you are to me. So enjoy the music and let's do this.
I woke up in the middle of the night. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na na na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all. It is hard to share my thoughts. Ooh, na na na. It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me. But I know that you need it all. Ooh, na na na. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in.
So I am now ready to clean the oven. It has been soaking for about 20 minutes or so. and I just took the Scotch Brite. I showed you the green one, and then I took water. And the first thing is to now scrub off the Max's oven cleaner that we had sprayed off. And I was so amazed at how effective it was. I tell you, just by scrubbing off like this, it was just bringing off all the grease. The oven now was like beginning to shine. You know, when it shines, it doesn't glaze over or slide over your hands, and that's how you can know that the grease is over. And the fact that I didn't, at this point, I'd not even added any soap, it means that that oven cleaner is able to leave the soapy effect on the oven even after all the oil that it had. I was amazed. You can see some brown spots, some dark spots which are dirt, and that is what we are now cleaning out.
It's so unnecessary dwelling about the past, 'cause I know that God is good, He led me to where I'm at. Sometimes I feel like giving up, you're giving in, but everything happens for a reason. It won't always be blue skies ahead. Sometimes you might need a helping hand, just like iron sharpens iron, making me stronger, calling me higher. When we come together, just like iron sharpens iron, making us stronger, calling us higher. When we're helping each other, we're growing together. It's so unnecessary worrying about life. I might not have it all, but I know I'll be alright. He's gonna challenge me to be the best I can be, and to give back to those who need it. It won't always be blue skies ahead. Sometimes you might need a helping hand, just like iron sharpens iron, making me stronger, calling me higher. When we come together, just like iron sharpens iron, making us stronger, calling us higher. When we're helping each other, we're growing together. Sharpening iron, making me stronger, calling me higher, calling us higher. Sharpening iron, calling me higher. Just like iron sharpens iron, making me stronger, calling me higher. When we come together, just like iron sharpens iron, making us stronger, calling us higher. When we're helping each other.
Now we are at the finishing stage. I am spraying the mixture of vinegar and water, and this gives the cooker such the oven such a fresh feel, and also the smell of all the cleaning detergent is gone, and now all I have is a very clean and sparkling oven. As you can see, I love the results. I'm so proud of the work that I've done after postponing for so long, and this method proved very effective. Did you see what I did there? That you don't have to have all liquid soap, don't have to have dishwashing soap, but you can use what is in your hands, and in my case it was just a simple bar soap, and I love the outcome. Thank you so much for being here. If you've not caught up with my kitchen makeover video, I'm going to link it here in the end screen. Just click on it and just see how my kitchen was transformed from just the ordinary to extraordinary, and this is just what is able to give especially the brick wall and the matching effect. My cooker and the walls are all blending together, giving me a very beautiful feel at the end of the day. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Catch me up in my next video where I'll be sharing an amazing recipe.